Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove all page titles in Elementor. This is particularly useful when you want to create clean, custom page layouts without the default page title appearing at the top, giving you complete design freedom over your headers and overall page structure. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where you manage all aspects of your website, from content creation to design customization. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find all your main navigation options. In that sidebar, locate and click on Pages. This will expand a submenu with several options related to your site's pages. From there, select All Pages to view your complete list of pages. This screen displays every page you've created on your website, making it easy to manage them all from one central location. Now you have two approaches here. You can either remove titles from pages individually or work through them one by one. To edit any page, simply hover over the page title in your list. When you do this, several action links will appear beneath it. Look for the option that says Edit with Elementor and click on it. This launches the Elementor Visual Editor, which is where you'll make the actual changes to remove the title. Once the Elementor Editor loads, you'll see your page layout in the center with various panels and controls surrounding it. Look to the upper left corner of the editor where you'll find a gear icon. This icon represents the page settings, which controls various aspects of how your page behaves and appears. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the settings panel. Inside the page settings panel, make sure you're on the settings tab. This is typically the default tab that opens, but it's worth confirming. Here you'll find various options for customizing your page's behavior. Scroll through until you locate the option labeled Hide Title. This is the key setting that controls whether your page title displays or not. Toggle this option to Yes, and you'll notice that the title immediately disappears from your page preview. Finally, you'll want to save your changes. Look to the upper right corner of the Elementor editor where you'll see the Publish button. Right beside it, you'll find a Save Draft option. Click on Save Draft to store your changes. If you're working on a live page that's already published, you might see an Update button instead, which you should click to apply the changes immediately. And that's it. You've successfully removed the page title from your Elementor page. If you need to hide titles across multiple pages, simply repeat this process for each page individually. This gives you the flexibility to decide which pages should display titles and which ones shouldn't, allowing for greater design control across your entire website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.